To you, happy birthday to you, happy.
Whoa!
Yay! Happy birthday! Love you, Dad.
Vic Soto nag-celebrate ng 69th birthday at first time na solo lamang silang tatlo na mag-celebrate ng birthday. Ayon nga kasi kay Pauline Luna, kagagaling lang nila sa sakit at pareha silang nasa isolation room.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Daddy.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Whoa!
Yay! Happy birthday! Love you, Dad.
Kinain mo yung 4 sticks.
Happy birthday.
Sabi ni Pauline, finally reunited. Happy to be celebrating Vic's birthday together. We were both in isolation for 5 days and finally got one line just in time for the birthday.
Happy birthday, Tay-Tay. Happy birthday, Tay-Tay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tay-Tay.
I love you.
I love you.
Makakasama na sana sa birthday celebration sina Paulina at Sachi, pero nasakto na nagkasakit si Tatay Vic. Ginread na lamang ito ni Sachi at napaka-cute ng kanyang pagbati. Kilalang kilala ang kanyang Tatay Vic Soto.
Going to your father's cake.
I wanna build.
You wanna build? Do you know how to play mahjong?
No.
Can you tell me the characters? What's this? This one.
2 dots.
2 balls.
2 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sticks.
7.
7 sticks.
Si Tali na-enjoy ang cake ng kanyang Tatay Vic. Ang design nga kasi nito ay mahjong. Favorite game nga ito ng kanyang Tatay Vic Soto.
Hello, what are you doing?
I'm fixing your hair.
Can I see? What are you using?
A
Wow.
hair dryer curler.
Thank you, ma'am.
Namiss nga ni Pauline Luna ang anak na 5 araw niyang hindi nakasama. Finally, magaling na silang mag-asawa at si Tali nga ay malakas ang resistensya kaya hindi ito nahawa. Ngayon nga magpapagaling sila ng tuluyan at isa-celebrate na lang ang birthday ni Vic na kasama ang Soto family kapag malakas na sila. Magbabalik exercise ng araw si Pauline dahil ilang araw nang na-stuck lamang sa isolation room. Sabi niya, need to work out ASAP. The isolation turned me into a Peppa Pig.
Thank you so much, Ate Jack. We love fruits. And we need it now. Thank you, Ate Jackie. Love you, miss you, always. This is something the family looks forward to every birthday. It's our birthday cake from Little Miss OC's kitchen. She makes the best looking cake and great tasting too. Look at the attention to detail. So someone's been addicted to mahjong lately. Look, so cute. Look at the attention to detail. As always, very awesome. Thank you so much to Miss OC. Happy birthday, babe. So cute!
Bawing-bawi sa cake ni Vic ang kanyang celebration. Mas masaya nga sana kung kumpleto sila. Pero kahit may sakit, marami ang mga nagpadala ng cake at regalo sa kanya. Nag-shabu-shabu dinner na nga lang ang family. Hindi man ito ang ine-expect na birthday, ay naging masaya naman ito na magkakasama na ulit silang tatlo. Ito naman ang nakaraang gathering ng Soto family. Magkakasama ang magkakapatid. Palagi nga silang together kahit simpleng dinner lang, lalong-lalo na sa mga birthday celebration.
Inaplayan. Lasal and ito lang. Hindi siya natanggap sa Lasal.